Let's try some Kiss press-on nails since we can't go to the salon. Might as well. Hi, I'm Michelle, and since I did a full face of makeup for another video that I'll link for you right there, I figured I might as well take advantage of my beauty and do another video for you. Recently, everyone I know has been complaining about not being able to go to the nail salon. Either I didn't realize that everyone I know gets their nails done, or people just want to do things because they can't. Regardless, I've had these for so long, I hope they still work after all this time. I don't care about my nails. There, I said it. I don't care about my nails. Look. Do I look like I care about my nails? What I have done this year is stop biting them, so bravo, Michelle. But I'm stuck at home. You're stuck at home. Might as well do some nails together, don't you think? This is either going to be really, really good or really, really bad. I think we all know which way this is going to go. Let's give it a try. I cannot believe how easy that was. But while I was doing them, that took 23 minutes from beginning to end. It was my first time doing it, so I had a slight, very, very, very tiny learning curve. And I also was making sure it was in focus for you. So you could probably knock off maybe 3 or 4 minutes for that. So probably 20 minutes total. Definitely longer than, say, a Jamberry or a Color Street. Way shorter than going to a salon. I love them. I think they're beautiful. While I was doing them, I began thinking, why am I doing this? Why? I'm going to wash my hands no less than 122 times tomorrow. I'm going to cook dinner. I'm going to have to get children dressed. Somebody needs a bath tomorrow. And I'm going to do this 3,091 times tomorrow. Probably close to 1 million by the time they come off. So I'm not sure why I did this. I take back what I said earlier about not caring about my nails because what? These are amazing. Superstar. I love them, and now I forever want long nails. But here's the thing. While it was mostly easy, this is not right. I don't know if it was the wrong size. I have abnormally small fingers and toes. Maybe not my fingers. I've got fat fingers. Fingernails. They're small. You should see how tiny my toes are. They're small, and so the normal size ones weren't really fitting, and I ended up going too big. And just the gold ones didn't feel quite right. They'll probably snap off first. This is really, really awesome. I definitely think you should get these. I'm gonna link these for you. If you get them, you must take a picture and tag me on Instagram. We're gonna spread do-it-yourself nails during quarantine all over the internet. Everyone's gonna get in on this action. People who didn't care about their nails before, they're gonna start caring. Let me see your nails on Instagram. Be kind and rewind. But seriously, how am I gonna take my makeup off tonight?